Alright, once again, hello guys, and welcome back to our last class about the deep web, the complete introduction. So congratulations guys, you completed the whole course. So until now what you saw, you should know exactly what is the deep web. So that's what we saw at the beginning of the course. You should know the difference between the deep web and the dark web, because yes, there is an important difference between both of them. Also, how it can be used for legal purposes, and that right now you should know also that the dark web is not only a place where everyone is evil and only bad people go there. You have very good people that go there only to read news, to be able to access websites that are censored in their countries, to be able to access news that are censored in their countries. And once again, this is a good thing for you guys to know, because if you're living in some countries where information is censored, well, you can use the Tor browser to access this information. Uh, about the Tor browser, after that, we had a complete introduction about it. So right now you should know what's the Tor browser, how it works, how to set it up. We talked about the Tor security, what's the security of Tor, and some safety tricks. After that, we talked about the concept of anonymity and why people wants to be anonymous when when they go on internet. Um, the difference between the surface web and the dark web, also, like people who are anonymous, why exactly they don't care to be non-anonymous on the surface web, and on the deep web they want to be anonymous. After that, we went on the live part. We download the Tor browser. So right now you should have the Tor browser on your computer. You should be able to, well, access it because it's on your computer. And also you should be able to access the hidden wiki right now, because it's the place where you will be able to find all your links to all the deep web websites, which is a really good thing to start in this field. Um, Also, you should know right now about Tails. We had an introduction about Tails. So once again, we didn't had a practical course about Tails, because once again my goal here was only to make a complete introduction and talk more about about the deep web in theory, then create a complete security class where I'm gonna talk how to set up Tails, how to set up everything. It was just an introduction, just for the purpose of you guys to know that this exists. So once again, as I said, we talked about Tails, and I really recommend you guys to get this program, because once again, it's a free software, and you can use the Tor browser in it. And once again, Tails is really a operating system, so you can use it with the Tor browser. You can put Tor on it and use it that way, and you will be able to use it on all kind of computers. So once again, I hope you guys will use it. Next thing, we saw how to make purchases on the deep web. We had an introduction about cryptocurrency. We talked about crypto. We had a practical course on how to buy crypto, how to get access to, how to have a crypto wallet, what is crypto, and we saw if it's safe to buy product on deep web. We saw also some marketplaces on live. Finally, we talked about the dangers of the dark net and how to stay safe. And right now, that you guys have completed and you have all this information, I hope you guys will use it the right way. Once again, all this was only for educational purpose. You guys right now know that all this exists. Of course, you can visit the deep web, and it's not illegal at all to visit it. I highly recommend you guys to visit it if it's for reading books, or if I going on the deep web library, for example, or going for going on forums, reading about different subjects, because there is a lot of things that are censored on on the normal web, on the surface web, that are not censored on the deep web. So this is why I highly recommend you guys to take a look, visit it, but don't forget, stay very careful, because once again, this is it could be, well, there is no censor. So if there is no censor, well, you can find any kind of information. This is why I'm asking you guys to stay safe. And don't forget, antivirus, and using Tails. You can use only Tor, it can work, it will protect your anonymity, but if you want to be able to use it anywhere, for example, any computer, well, I really suggest you to download Tor instead of downloading Tails, sorry, instead of just downloading Tor on all computers that you find. Besides of that, don't forget, guys, this course is really for educational purpose. The deep web can be very, very dangerous. But right now that you have all this information, I hope you guys like the course. And once again, it was just a complete introduction. It wasn't supposed to go really in depth or do some expert things like going in seeing all the security around this. This is just an introduction, guys, for you to be able to get access to the deep web and for you guys to know a little bit how all this works. So that's it for this course, guys, and see you in any other of my courses on another time. So thanks again, and see you.